Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix the Windows Update error 0x800705b9 on Windows 11. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and afterwards make sure that System is selected on the left pane, and then on the right side scroll down until you find the Troubleshoot category and click on it. Now select Other Troubleshooters, and the last thing you have to do in here is click on the Run button next to Windows Update. Now Windows will try to detect any issues and fix them as soon as possible. You can then close these windows, restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to free up your disk space. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and afterwards make sure that System is selected on the left pane, and then on the right side click on the Storage category. Now in here, under the Storage Management section, you have an option called Storage Sense, and the first thing you have to do is set this option to on. It has a toggle on the right side, so just make sure to set this toggle to on. Now click on it, and the last thing you have to do is click on the Run Storage Sense Now button. This will clean up any unnecessary files to free up some of that disk space in case you cannot update because you have not enough disk space. You can then close this window, restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to restart the Windows Update service. To do this, press the Windows button, then type in Services and then select the Services application from the search results. Now, as you can see in here, the list is quite big. So if you want to access the Windows Update service faster, just click on a random service and then type the first letter of the service you're looking for. In our case, it's W. Now scroll down until you find the Windows Update service and double-click on it. In here, in the Startup tab, click on the drop-down menu and make sure that the Automatic option is selected. Then simply stop this service, wait for a bit until it will stop, and once again you'll see that it will restart. Now just click on Apply and OK to save the changes and close this window, and then restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to perform an SFC scan. To do this, press the Windows button, then type in CMD and then run command prompt as an administrator. Now in the command prompt window, make sure to type in the following command and then press enter after this command. Now what you have to do is simply wait because the scan will take a bit of time, so don't lose any patience. Afterwards your computer will restart and then you can check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to download the updated file from the Microsoft Catalog website and then simply install it. First of all, what you have to do is open up your default browser and access the link that I posted in the description below. This is the official Microsoft Update Catalog page, and from here on you have to type in your KB update name in the search box. Now click on the search button, and after you found the results that you needed, select the version that fits your Windows architecture and then click on the download button. Now in the next window, simply click on the blue link and then choose a location to save this update, preferably on your desktop. Now click on the Save button and wait until this update will be downloaded. Now the last thing you have to do is minimize these windows, then double click on the installer file, and from here on simply let Windows do its job. You can then restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. However, as an alternative, we highly recommend you to try out Restoro, which is an app that specializes in scanning and repairing any issues with your Windows operating system faster than you think. At the same time, Restoro also repairs damage caused by malware, which is a great plus in functionality. So make sure to check out the link in the description below. And that was it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and as usual subscribe to our channel. Thank you.